Arnav from Non-Academic, and in this video I'm going to be explaining my unique thought. So in my unique thought, I got a situation when I got to know that many medical sellers around my area are selling fake medicines by fake printing, which is completely illegal, but due to this really small minor area, the government can't really do anything with that. So they keep on doing their business and keep on fooling many people, just like they did to me once. So my unique thought will now come into play to solve this problem. So in developing countries, many people do this cheating kind of thing. So to not make this thing happen, there must be a QR code scanner on every medicine bottle so that anyone can scan it and get to know if this is original or not. Even if the medicine is original and it's not having that QR code, so it still would be counted in an illegal category. But still, this thing can actually bring a lot of change in this fraud business being taken place in minor areas. So hope you enjoyed the video, and if I can get my unique thought just by looking and drinking my medicines, you surely can too. But don't forget to leave a like down below, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends and families. Thank you and bye.